Alright, this realtor called me and said that his workers lost the key to the front door. He wants me to put the key on the same as the side door. So I came in the side door, but then I run into this. Should I put them all on one key for him, or should I leave those hanging in there? And then he said put it on the same as the side door, but these two are different. I tried to call him, he didn't answer. That works on this one, doesn't work on here. This one works on here. I'm gonna put these two for sure on the same key. I'm assuming that's what I want. So I'll hit that pin. And put it on this key. Okay, these two are now the same. Might as well do these two. I think that's what I want. He's a friend of mine, so. I'll hit this pin. Which key? This key? Double check. Pretty sure it's the one with the shallower groove. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, which one is? Oh, that's the wrong key. This one probably. Okay. Yeah, this one. Okay, we'll put this one on. Do that last bottom one. Just make sure this is the right key again. Yeah. All right. Okay, everything now is on this key. Just gotta go do the front door one. This house is probably gonna come on the market soon, guys. Looks like I just got 2 new sets of keys. Grab those in a minute. I'll cut him another key. I'll take this one off. Okay, when you want to rekey a quick set smart key without a working key, you need something like that. Unless you do it manually, you drop your cylinder in that position, turn it, make sure it's all the way in, turn it, hit your pin like you normally would, and then put your new key in. You really just take it out now. Yeah, that's done. So he's all on one key. I will summon the key code that way. If he needs another one, I can cut it at any time. This is a thick door. These screws barely catch. You have to go so far in. Look how far in you go before it catches it. But it barely does. It does work, so. All Alright, let's make sure these keys work. That one works. My copy works. It's a heavy door. Alright, I'm outie.